Alright, so this is just a quick video to show you how to use a secondary ignition probe using your Picoscope. This one has a built-in attenuator to protect the Picoscope from high amounts of voltage. This just goes around one of our spark plug wires. Okay, and then we've grounded off the other part. On your Picoscope itself, you've got to select the secondary ignition probe from the drop-down menu here. There's two options. One says inverted, one says positive. So if you select one of these and your spark is jumping into the negative, go ahead and select the other one. We're going to be on a -5 to 20,000 volt range for this. 1 millisecond divisions. And then notice our spark is just jumping all over the place. So we're going to turn on a repeat trigger down here at the bottom. And that's just going to make every time the spark happens, or every time our signal goes above this point right here, that's when it's actually going to record it on our screen. Okay, so now we're watching our spark event happen live. You can see our coil turning on right here. You can see the amount of time that our coil was energized before it actually fires. This is called our fire line. That's how many volts it takes to jump across the gap. This right here is how many volts it's taking to maintain the jump. This is how long it's jumping. It's called our spark line. And then these oscillations at the end are leftover energy in the coil being dissipated away. Okay, so this spark looks really good. This is what they should look like. If you're trying to figure out if you have one that's bad, it's really good to just compare sparks from different cylinders on the same vehicle. And if you see one that's extremely different than the rest, then that's the one you're going to go after.